shower door here that's just a little too tough. I mean, that just pops a little too much. These have an easy, really simple adjustment here. It's just 2 screws that lock the latch plate down. Set this down so I can get better pressure on it. But anyway, you just loosen these screws up a hair, and that allows you to slide the whole latch piece over. And then we're just going to move this over a hair. This right here. So I moved it back a little too much, but anyway, we'll move this over a hair and then tighten it back down. And it's just a little spring latch in there, so if you had one that was broken and needed to be replaced, it's a pretty easy replacement. Anyway, you can see this just pushes in there, so let's test it out here. Alright, still a little tough, so I'm gonna move it over a tiny bit more here. This could use some cleaning too. So, there we go. Tighten it back up. Test it out. Okay. There we go. That's a little more normal. When it snaps out, it's a little bit better, so we're good to go there. That's how to adjust those or to replace these if you needed to. Pretty simple repair, nice and easy.